Hello everyone, hope we're all good. And so here is a video on my 1980s Micromark 9-inch desk fan. Now I've had this fan for a fair few months. I bought this off eBay last year, back in October 2023. I bought this off eBay. And so yeah, so I bought this second-hand off eBay. Bought this for about £14 and a few pounds for postage. Can't exactly remember how much it was for postage, but there was a price for postage for it as well. And so yeah, so the reason why I bought this was because I just wanted it. Because even though Micromark is another childhood brand of mine, I'd never, for some reason, I'd never owned a Micromark fan. So yeah, so I thought I'd get one of these. And so yeah. Yes, it's an older Micromark. Obviously, as I said, we're going back to the late 1980s with this. We're going back to the late 1980s with this. We're going back to as far as 1988 with this Micromark. 1988. And so yeah, these are quite good fans, I must admit. They're incredibly good for summer. And my 1980s Micromark 9-inch here has very recently had another service. In fact, I was actually serving this today because there was something that needed doing with it. And yeah, there was something that needed doing with it. And I was disassembling it last night. I didn't have enough time. And yeah, so I was disassembling this last night. And yeah. And I finished off today, or this morning. I finished off with this morning, and it's all working better now because it had something wrong with it. So I needed to sort something out with it. And so yeah, so it's in very good, clean working condition, and it works beautifully. Bit rattly when you turn it on, if you switch it on. Bit rattly, but apart from that, it works beautifully. Works how it's supposed to, nice and smooth and quiet. Just a bit rattly. It's just a bit rattly when you turn it on, but doesn't mean I can't still use it. I definitely can still use this in the summertime, and I'm planning to use this. In fact, I have started using this a little bit. Like a few weeks ago, I started using it. Incredibly good fan to use. And so yeah. So we'll just yeah. So I'll just turn it to the side. Here's the side for you. And here's the back for you. It's got a really good length of mains cord. The mains cord is quite long. It's plugged in just there. And so yeah, you've got oscillating switch, got carry handle as well, so you can carry it, makes it easier to carry. Just tilt the head up again. It's got the Micromark badge as well. It's got this bit down here as well. Pause to read that if you like. So it says Micromark 9-inch cool fan, and then at the bottom it says Micromark quality that's guaranteed. Micromark was a very good quality guaranteed brand, and this Micromark 9-inch indeed was. So it's got a slider switch to just slide it into the middle position for low speed, slide it all the way to the end for high speed. And yeah, so it also says it's got 90% oscillation and head feature. And so yeah, so here's the rating sticker. Pause to read that if you like. Made in Taiwan, this Micromark. Still got all the rubber feet. And you can take the bottom of the base off as well if the electrics don't work properly. Like if all the speeds don't work. Specifically if it's all the speeds don't work. But it's usually okay. And so yeah, so apart from the fan being a bit rattly when you first start it up, it works beautifully. Still gives out lovely airflow. A lovely wonderful summer breeze. And so yeah. So we'll switch the fan on, start it on the low speed. So that's the lowest speed setting. So that's the highest speed setting. Let's just demonstrate the oscillation. The oscillation works just fine as well. That's low speed and oscillation. I think it's quite a good fan to have run overnight. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see ya.